Hello students, good morning to all of students. I am K.Pathak, Science teacher of Bosco School. Today we start a quadratic equation of class 10B. Here you can see the chapter 4 quadratic equation in page number 98, exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. So before going to this chapter, exercise 4.1, we have to know some basic concept of quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation. What do you mean by quadratic equation, or what do you mean by quadratic polynomial or an quadratic equation? Okay. So in introduction, let us see first of all the quadratic polynomial. Say quadratic polynomial. Polynomial means more than one term, algebraic term. Say 1x, x square, x b is a monomial, and x square plus bx, y square plus cx, etc. Polynomial, more than one term is polynomial. So it is called polynomial. And now quadratic equation. What is called quadratic? Quadratic equation. Quadratic means square. That is the variable in which the highest power is 2. Say it is a polynomial of degree 2. When the degree is 2, is called quadratic polynomial. Linear equation say number 1, linear equation is x or x plus b, y plus c is a linear equation. Here variable x is y, is constant. Number 2, linear equation. Number 2, say quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is, say example x plus 1, x square plus 1, say square. The degree of this polynomial is 2. The degree of the variable is 2. The highest degree of polynomial, when 2, it becomes quadratic polynomial. Say 4x square plus 2 like that. Now we discuss again cubic polynomial. When cubic polynomial will be x cube plus 1 like this. The degree of the polynomial when 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. It is cubic polynomial. So we will discuss on the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial. Now quadratic equation. Now quadratic equation will be when we equate this polynomial equal to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. Say the standard form of say a polynomial x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, a, b and c are real numbers and x is variable. X is a variable. So it is is a quadratic equation. It is a standard form of quadratic equation, and it is known as known as standard form of quadratic equation. So here x, this term is quadratic term, bx is linear term, ax square is a quadratic term. Quadratic means highest power 2, and c is a constant term. Now this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, a, b and c are real numbers and x is a variable, then it is called standard form of a quadratic equation. So if a becomes 0, then it will become the term will become 0, then bx plus c will be a linear equation. Therefore a cannot be 0. So we know that. So from this we can say that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is called standard form of quadratic equation. So now we start. Let us start exercise 4.1. Number 1. Say whether the following are quadratic equations. Say number 1, x plus 1 whole square plus, so x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. Whether it is quadratic equation or not, we have to find it. We have to tell whether it is quadratic equation or not. Number 1. Okay. Number 1 is given x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x plus 3. So first of all we simplify it. You can say that x plus 1 whole square means a plus b whole square. So we just expand it. So x is a. So x square plus twice into x into 1 b plus b square means 1 square equal to, now multiply 2 with x plus 3 into x twice x plus 2 into 3 6. Now you can say that like x square twice x plus 1 into twice x plus 6. Now transporting twice x to left hand side and all plus 6 to the left, you can have twice x square, x square twice x, this will be going to minus, becomes minus twice x, and plus 1, this plus 6 will become minus 6 equal to 0. Then x square twice x twice plus x minus x cancel, this will be minus 5 equal to 0. So we can written as 1 into x square plus minus, say this will be minus into plus 0 into x minus 0 into x minus 5 equal to 0. Where a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 5. So this can be compared. This can be compared with the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Similarly, you can also find number 2, x square minus 2x equal to minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus x. Let's go on simplify and transform into the standard form of the quadratic equation. You can solve it. So now we'll do now. Question number 2 is you try at home for homework. Number 3 is also whether it is quadratic equation or not. We can try it simply. You can tell whether it is quadratic equation or not. Like that. X minus 2 x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So, first of all, solution. So, first of all, we multiply two terms. X minus 2 is x plus 1. So, x into x square plus into 1 x, then minus 2 into x minus plus x. Minus plus 1 minus 2 like that. X multiply x minus 1 by x plus 3. So x into x square, x into 2 plus x, 1 minus 1 minus into x 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So you can write as x square. So this is similar term. So then have x minus 2 and x square plus twice x minus 3. So transporting from right to left. So this will be minus x square, this minus x, again this will be plus x becomes minus x, this is minus 2, this will be plus 3 equal to 0. So x square plus x square minus x square is cancelled. Then we get minus thrice x plus 1 equal to 0. So it is not a quadratic equation because the degree of the variable is only 1. So it is a linear equation. Since the degree of the equation is 1 only. So it is not a quadratic equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. Now we learn question number 2. With the help of quadratic equation, now we can also represent different problems in a quadratic equation, and we can find the value of the variables. So number 2, like that, the example given. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equations. So number 1, you can see number one, the area of a rectangular plot is 580 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Length and breadth of the plot. So, number 1. Number 2 of 1. So, since say it is an rectangle, where say A, B, C, D is a rectangle, say its area, A is area of the rectangle is given 528 meters square. Say this length and it is a breadth. Here the condition is given, the length of the plot in meters is 1 more than its breadth. So let us assume let the breadth of the rectangle, let the breadth of the rectangular plot, be x meter. Therefore, the length of the rectangular plot will be the length of the rectangular plot is twice is 1 more than twice its breadth. So it will be twice of breadth, 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice x plus 1. Since 1 is more than twice x of the breadth, so this will be meter. So here length, if breadth is x, then will be twice x plus 1. This say meter is meter. So we know that area, therefore area of the plot equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth means that is twice x plus 1 and breadth is x. So meter into meter square. So now area is given 528 meter square. Therefore, by question, since area of a rectangular plot, area of a rectangle, we know that length into breadth. The breadth is x meter and length is twice x minus x plus 1 meter. So now the area will be area of the rectangular plot is that the rectangle is L into B, that is length into breadth. Length is given to x plus 1 and breadth is x. So length into breadth, this will be area. This area is given at 528 meters square. So by this question we can write as twice x plus 1 into x into 528. This area and this area is equal. So we multiply x twice x square plus x equal to 528. So transferring 528 to left side, we have twice x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. Which is the required quadratic equation. equal to, since here a equal to 2, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 528. It is the form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The standard form of this can be compared with this standard form of division equation. So it is a required quadratic equation. This is the answer. What you understand? Now question number 2. You can also find out, delete the product of two consecutive integers. The product of two consecutive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. And this is the answer of 2 of 1. And now question 2. First of all, we assume that the two consecutive numbers, say x, one is x, another is x plus 1, and its product x into x plus 1 equal to 306. In this way, we can make the quadratic equation like that. So you try yourself at home. So for today, this much. Thank you.